Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in 2019 Nissan Frontier. Begin by warming the engine for 5 minutes, then shut it off and open the hood. Locate the oil filler cap and remove it to allow air in. Place a drain pan under the oil pan, loosen the 14 mm drain bolt slowly, and let oil flow until it runs thin and steady. After the oil drains, clean the drain bolt and replace the crush washer to prevent leaks. Loosen the oil filter with a wrench and remove it carefully to avoid spills. Prime the new filter with a little fresh oil and smear oil on its gasket for a good seal. Thread the new filter by hand until snug, then give it a quarter to half turn more to secure it. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your truck smelling great after oily hands and garage time. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. I've included the link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Now let's get back to the video. With the drain bolt and new filter in place, pour 5 quarts of 5W30 oil slowly into the filler opening. Wait a few minutes, then start the engine for about a minute and check for leaks around the filter and drain bolt. Turn off the engine, wait 2 minutes, and use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is within the safe marks. Tighten or add oil if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.